He ran out? Is that why? Are you scolding him? What's going on? You know what they're doing? What happened?
Oh no, the lights on.
Uh-oh.
インターナショナル旅ご乗船中の皆様にお知らせします。ただいま安全確認を行っております。このまま座ったままで。
That kid caused the breakdown?
迷惑をおかけして申し訳ございません。このまま座ったままでお待ちください。
ピーターパン空の旅海賊船に乗ってお待ちの皆様にお知らせいたします。ただいま安全確認を行います。ご案内があるのでしばらく座ったままでお待ちください。ご迷惑をおかけして誠に申し訳ございません。この後安全確認に入るためもうしばらく座ったま
Well, I
まで
did
お
say
待ちいただきますようお願いい
these
た
rides
しま
never
す。
break down, so there you go. That proved me wrong.
Yeah, he's restarting it. I think so.
I really hope for I hope they send us through with the lights on.
On over. We might be evacuating.
ピータ
Uh-oh.
ーパン空の旅にご乗車中の皆様にお知らせいたします。ただいまピーターパン空の旅は安全装置作動のため一時的に停止しております。安全のため座ったままでお待ちく
Seeing
だ
her
さ
run by
い。
made me realize how big that
ご
Wendy
迷惑をおか
animatronic
けし
is.
て誠に
Wendy's
申し
pretty
訳ござ
big.
いません。
Is that where the intercom is? Over there? Why'd she run over there for?
No. No, probably.
皆様にお知らせします。ただいま空飛ぶ海賊船は一時的に停止しておりますが、すぐに動きますのでどうぞ座ったままでお待ちください。
Ladies and gentlemen, we have temporarily stopped your pirate's galleon. For your safety, please remain seated. Your flight should continue in just a few moments.
各位游客请注意，海盗飞船现在暂时停止运行，但马上将会重新启动。请各位在座位上坐好，
Are you holding up the
稍
safety
后
bar, or is
片
that
刻。
furthest it goes down? That's the furthest it goes down. That's weird. Oh, this is this the same way? Is that the same way how it works in yours? It's like that, connected. So is that how it works too at yours? Yeah, ours either. I don't know. That's interesting.
Might go down further, but so just jammed in my
Oh, your backpack. Oh, that's why. Okay, I
皆
was
様
wondering
にお
why.
知らせし
No,
ま
no,
す。
that's fine.
まもなく
I
空
first
飛
of all,
ぶ
I'm on
海
top
賊
of it.
船が動きますので
Yeah,
about as far as it
安
goes.
全のため 座ったままでお待ちください。
Ladies and gentlemen, your pirate's galleon will now resume its flight. For your safety,
Right, strange.
please remain seated.
各位游客请注意，海盗飞船马上将要重新启动。为了安全起见，请各位在座位上坐好，稍后片刻。
Oh, they were gone. Where did the cast member go?
She's already back to the station.
Oh, okay. Hello, no Peter Pan. Whoa.